PDF417 barcode object details. The A-label program can print a very sophisticated type of barcode that is two-dimensional. This barcode type has the name PDF417. To create a new two-dimensional PDF417 barcode object, click the two-dimensional barcode tool in the lower toolbar. The cursor shape will change to a 2D barcode, and when you click once anywhere over the label, the program will first prompt you with a dialog box in which you should select the PDF417 choice. When you click OK, the program will create a new PDF417 barcode object whose upper left corner is where you originally clicked the mouse. A PDF417 barcode object does not display any corresponding text because the whole idea of a PDF417 barcode is to be able to encode hundreds, if not over 1,000 characters in a very small space. The default PDF417 barcode object is colored black and appears to consist of many jagged, random little black and white blocks in its interior. The left and right sides appear straight and uniform with wide and narrow bars and spaces. About the only thing you can do with a PDF417 barcode is to right-click it to bring up the Properties dialog box. The PDF417 barcode has many properties. The width and height of this barcode are always automatically determined by the program that either prints or displays the barcode. But you can suggest an aspect ratio of height to width, and the program will try to honor your request by drawing the barcode with the suggested aspect ratio. The default aspect ratio is 0.5, which means the shape will be twice as wide as it is high. You can also try to specify either the number of columns or the number of rows of the little block data, and thereby try to make the barcode have a particular width or a particular height. The sizing priority radio buttons then give you the option to select what you want the program to try to make its priority. If you select column priority, the program will try to make the number of requested columns. If you select row priority, the program will try to make the number of requested rows. If you select aspect ratio priority, the program will try to choose the number of rows and columns that will give the barcode the specified aspect ratio. However, regardless of what you specify, the program will automatically determine what size is required by the barcode. This means the actual number of rows and columns of the little blocks will only be approximately what you try to specify. Usually, PDF417 barcodes are printed on relatively large labels, such as those on boxes, and usually there's a certain space on the label that is reserved for a variable-sized barcode. PDF417 barcodes are self-correcting in the sense that the barcode label may be ripped or torn or smeared, and yet a barcode reader may still be able to correctly read the barcode even though parts of it are somehow damaged. The amount of error correction is determined by what is called the security level, that is always a number between 0 and 8. The default value is 1. The higher the security value, the more errors that can be corrected. However, choosing a high security level means the barcode will take up more space, and it also means the barcode may not hold as much data as it might otherwise be capable of holding when a lower security level is chosen. Because a PDF417 barcode can hold more than just a simple string of characters, the A-label program expects all the characters to be in a text file. Thus, a PDF417 barcode is specified by including a file name file path to the file that actually holds the data. Any such file must be a simple ASCII text file. When a PDF417 barcode is loaded, the large middle white block of text in the above dialog box will contain the actual text that gets encoded. As another example, we are now going to load an items template that only contains one item that is a large two-dimensional PDF417 barcode. This is a barcode that contains the first 330 characters in the Constitution of the United States of America, otherwise known as the preamble to the Constitution. When we right-click this barcode to bring up the Properties dialog box, we can see the words to the preamble. The program has automatically loaded the text file into the middle control in the dialog box. You might also notice that the dialog box has some text that is colored blue. The number 330 is the number of characters the program found in the text file that was loaded. You will also see the words "Good Encoding" in blue. This just means the program had no trouble finding and reading and encoding the text file. The only other two blue numbers are those just to the right of the requested number of rows and columns. These two blue numbers are the actual number of rows and columns that the program automatically determined for the barcode. In this case, the number of actual rows is 27, while the number of columns is 7. These numbers are based on satisfying the aspect ratio. Most of the remaining properties should already be familiar because they are the same as you will find for other label objects. PDF417 barcodes can be rotated at either 0 or 90 or 180 or 270 degrees. The barcode color can be changed, although the default is black, which is standard for all barcodes. The barcode block can be given a centering option, or the position of the upper left corner can be determined by the two edge distances. A PDF417 barcode can also be given the non-printable property, although that would be rare. If we click OK, we can see the barcode. As with any other object, we can click it to select it. The four small white handlebars mean the object is selected. However, since these handlebars are not solid black, they also mean you cannot resize this object with these handlebars, although you can drag it to reposition it anywhere on the label. Next, we will demonstrate how you might control the shape of a PDF417 barcode object. First, note the current shape. Then we right-click the barcode and select the Properties menu item to bring up the Properties dialog box. The blue number to the right of the requested rows indicates the barcode has 27 rows. We are now going to change the requested rows to only 18, and we are going to change the sizing priority to row priority. When we click OK, we see a newly shaped barcode. This barcode is now horizontally wider, but vertically shorter than it was before. This demonstrates that we have some control over the shape of the barcode. If we bring up the dialog box properties for the barcode, we can see the blue number to the right of the requested rows has changed to 18. So the program was able to satisfy our request. When you save an item's template with a PDF417 barcode object, the program does not save the text of the barcode. The text of the barcode is always contained in another text file. There is an option related to that text file that must be set correctly to enable the program to find that file. That option is called the Starting Search Path option. The Starting Search Path can be either a fixed path or it can be the template path for the currently loaded items template file. Usually we recommend you set the option for the template path. When you do this, you need to make sure the file name is the name of the desired text file that is contained in the same directory as the item's template file. Otherwise, if you choose the option for a fixed path, then you must enter that fixed path as the correct string in the edit box for the file search starting fixed path. The file search starting path string is ignored when the option is chosen as the template file path. No matter which starting search path option you set, the program starts looking in the specified directory for a text file that has the name as specified in the edit box for the file name. The search is recursive, which means the search will continue looking in all subdirectories under the directory where the search starts. Thus, when you later reopen the item's template, the program will look for the corresponding text file. If that file is deleted or moved, then the program won't be able to encode or create the barcode. Thus, you need to ensure that the file name is spelled correctly and that the starting search path option has been appropriately chosen. If the program can't find any text file with a matching file name, it will display an error message, and on the label it will show an object with the message "File Not Found." If you click this File Not Found object and select its properties, you should see the words "bad encoding" and no text in the space that normally shows the contents or data. This means, of course, that the associated data file could not be found. If you set the correct file name and path options, then this error will go away. To resize a PDF417 barcode, you can set the X-width property to a larger or smaller value. The default value of 0.012 represents 12,000th of an inch. Another way of resizing is to right-click the object and select the menu item to resize and reshape the object. Then use the slider control to change the size. This slider control provides an alternative to directly editing the X-width value. This concludes the information about PDF 417 barcodes.